Very good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on Mirror Now. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. Let's begin with the latest coming in on the Bharat Bandh and the protests that have erupted in multiple locations across the country. First update that we are getting is from the Ghazipur border, where the farmers actually raised an issue with the Congress leader, in fact Delhi Congress chief Anil Chaudhary, who arrived at the spot. He was asked to leave the protest site and refrain from making the protest political. The farmers were heard saying that political parties are extending support, are welcome to do so. They can raise their voices from Delhi and they need not be present at the protest site in the Ghazipur border. So let's listen in to what ensued in the process.
आप समर्थन कर रहे हैं तो दिल्ली में पूरी दिल्ली पड़ी थी, आपको वहाँ करना चाहिए। आप इसे कांग्रेस का आंदोलन बनाना चाहते हैं? नहीं, बिल्कुल गलत है। आपको बिल्कुल रिक्वेस्ट है, आप पद अधिकारी हैं, आपको दिल्ली में रोकना चाहिए। आम आदमी वाले आए थे, भाई वही करो जिसे करना है। सर प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है, आप समझदार हैं।
आपसे रिक्वेस्ट आप खड़े आपका सम्मान है, पूरा सम्मान। आगे बैठ जाओ। चलिए
वापस लो यहाँ पर जो भी राजनीतिक राजनीति ना करें।
आप समर्थन कर रहे हैं तो दिल्ली में पूरी
Alok Singh joining us on the phone line. Alok, you were at the Ghazipur border earlier, and this is an issue that we have raised a number of times, that a lot of times these protests become political with the presence of certain political leaders there. Such a situation, it seems, was averted today as the farmers openly objected to the presence of Anil Chaudhary. Tell us what happened there.
Well, yes, absolutely. In fact, earlier also we have seen when the left party leaders and other opposition party leaders, when they arrived in the last time when the call for the Bandh was given by the farmers, we saw that many political party leaders wanted to come to reach to the protest site, basically the Ghazipur protest site, but they were not allowed to enter inside first by the police and then later by the farmers itself. The main reason is that the farmers does not want this protest to become the political. And in fact, they have categorically said, yes, they are welcoming the support of the opposition party or any left party or anyone, but they are not going to share their stage with the political party leaders. Anil Chaudhary, he is a senior Congress party leader from Delhi unit, and he had yesterday, in fact, released a press release and said that he is upholding the farmers' protest, and today he was supposed to come, and he came here with his supporters, and he tried to share the stage. He tried to sit at the main road where the farmers were sitting. So that is why this conversation we are showing to our viewers, where he is being argued by the farmers protesters, and they said that he should leave the protest site. Later he was asked to go. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely. We could see that, and it's embarrassing for the leader in question to be caught in that moment, which is of course caught in camera as well, where he is being asked in a very polite way to leave the site, but then of course also saying that they appreciate his support or his party's support. However, he should not be sitting with the farmer union leaders there at the Ghazipur border. Thanks very much for joining us, Alok, with your inputs on the story.